I've been selling real estate for over 13 years now, and I've seen a lot of homes during my career. I can honestly say I haven't seen many quite like 16 Allison Court. My name is Cynthia Ostos, broker and team leader with Revel Realty. This home is situated on a private court just minutes from downtown Georgetown. There are 20 estates on Allison Court, each home truly unique in their designs and features. This magazine-worthy home will captivate you the minute you open the front door. The main level was completely renovated in 2021. It features a main floor office, separate living and dining rooms, and a breathtaking great room with floor-to-ceiling windows, a custom stone fireplace, and 18-foot ceilings. The kitchen was completely remodeled, featuring state-of-the-art fixtures and finishes. Be sure not to overlook upgrades such as the double dishwasher drawers, parent and row pot filler over the stove, 39-inch apron sink, and hot water on demand. This house is so big you could easily get lost. But don't worry, accessing the second floor and basement is a breeze as you have two separate staircases on either side of the home. The second floor features 5 spacious bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The primary bedroom is truly unique with an 11 by 17 walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom that was also completely redone in 2021. No need to leave your home for a spa day when you have a bathroom like this. No expense was spared when it comes to the features and finishes you will find here. Indulge in the large walk-in shower featuring the Thermosol steam system. Relax on the custom bench and admire the book-matched porcelain slabs, or take a relaxing bath in the stone soaker tub that overlooks the escarpment in the distance. The basement in this home is very versatile. It features a large rec room, secondary kitchen, 6th bedroom with a 3-piece bath just steps away, second laundry area, tons of storage, and a bonus home theater. Walk out to the cozy sunroom off the kitchen to watch the sunset after a long day. Once outside, you can appreciate the total privacy this home has to offer. With extensive landscaping and mature trees, the backyard of this home is truly spectacular. There's nothing left to do here other than enjoy, as the options are endless. Take a dip in the saltwater pool or unwind in the hot tub. This home comes complete with an outdoor cabana to prep for those summertime barbecues and an outdoor bathroom for guests to use while poolside. In order to appreciate everything this home has to offer, you really do need to see it in person. Get in touch with us today to book your private showing.